Dear friends, are you ready to unlock the power of the digital world? Welcome to Info Solution, your friendly guide to navigating the exciting landscape of digital marketing right here in Kerala. We're passionate about helping you gain the skills you need to thrive in this booming industry. That's why we're dedicated to showcasing the best digital marketing education opportunities available in our vibrant city. We are thrilled to highlight an incredible initiative from one of Kochi's leading digital marketing educators, Digimark Academy. They are a fantastic institution committed to providing comprehensive and practical digital marketing training. They are offering a fantastic 30-day free online digital marketing course. Today we just preview day 4 of digital marketing course. Overview of the core modules within digital marketing. WordPress website setup. How to launch a website. How to manage a site. How to analyze the backend interface. How to install a plugin. How to install a theme. How to design websites. How to use Elementor. How to change menus. How to create a page. Day 4 is all about laying the groundwork and getting you comfortable with the exciting journey ahead. Digimark Academy has designed this course to be accessible and engaging right from the start. Here at Info Solution in Kochi, we're passionate about empowering you with the skills you need to thrive online. That's why we're so excited to share Digimark Academy's 30-day free digital marketing course with you. It's a fantastic opportunity to begin your journey, so sign up today. We'll be back tomorrow with another glimpse, this time into day 5. To stay updated and get more digital marketing insights from us at Info Solution, please like this video and subscribe. Wishing you all the best in your learning. Bye for now.